This week's feast.
Pizza burrito!
From Steven Universe. What's up, everybody? Today we are joined by the one and only Michaela Dietz, who voices Amethyst.
Hi.
Making the iconic pizza burrito.
Yeah.
Burrito!
Neato.
Now we could just reheat some burritos and a pizza, but what is the fun in that? Let's make this pizza-rito from scratch. Start with diced onion, a healthy amount of minced garlic, and cilantro. In a large saucepan or pot, add onions and sauté for 3 minutes. Then add your garlic, cumin, salt, and pepper. Mix thoroughly, and finally the tomato paste. Stir and cook this mixture for 2 minutes, making sure nothing sticks to the bottom of the pan. Add in your rice, mix, and continue to sauté. Finally, pour the chicken stock into the pot, mix it, and bring the whole thing to a boil. Now lower the heat and simmer for 25 minutes until the liquid's been completely absorbed. Once it's done, add on your chopped cilantro and set aside. For our veggies, slice up some green and yellow peppers as well as a red onion. Add into a skillet on medium-high heat with cilantro, salt, and cook until the veggies are slightly softened but still tender crisp, about 6 to 7 minutes. Assemble your burrito with a small amount of rice, refried beans, veggies, and cheese. Remember, you don't want to overstuff this as we still have to make it fit into a small pizza. Roll up the burrito and set it aside. We made some homemade pizza for our pizza-rito, and you can find the entire recipe, including the pizza dough, in the description below. Place your burrito inside the baked pizza, sprinkle the chaps on top, and carefully, or just force it, roll this entire thing up into a giant burrito. As always, we shout out one lucky patron on each episode of the show, so this pizza-rito episode is dedicated to... Who's that patron? It's Sakuno! And voila! The pizza-rito is real-lito. Since we have Michaela in the studio today, we all made our own pizzas, so let's get back to the kitchen and see how we can wrap things up there. Alright guys, let's roll up our burritos.
Yeah. Where's my burrito?
Oh.
Oh, wait. I found it in your ear. It came out of your gem. Wow.
Wow, my superpower is a burrito! Alright, so just like in the show, burrito in the middle, chips.
They're called chaps.
Chaps.
You love chips, and I love chips. We love chips from Chaps.
Chap it up.
Whoa, yeah.
That's how we do.
All right, we'll try
Get the
this.
sides in.
When? Oh,
Yeah, bring it a little
bad
closer.
alignment.
You got this. Just fold. You got this. I believe. Yes.
Chipotle, you gotta put
Look
some
at this.
power into it.
Yes.
Monster! Do I eat it?
Well, if you can,
Wait,
yeah.
can I eat it like Justin Bieber?
Eating like that is definitely the preferred way to go. I actually think it's impossible to eat it the way that you did in the show.
Whoa, yours is...
Powerful legendary demon blade, possessed by Murimasa. With this demon blade, I will be the most powerful fighter in all the world!
Yours is pretty, Winnie. How do you have the prettiest one? He's the worst in the kitchen.
Hey.
How is
hold
that
on.
possible?
Let's not drag me too hard here.
Oh my God.
Oh yeah, cheers, cheers.
There's a video on YouTube of Amethyst doing that. It's like that, where she's just choking down a pizza burrito for an hour. It's an hour.
What, Jimmy?
Weird.
Are you even enjoying it?
Oh good, that's it. It's a pizza burrito.
I'm into it.
This is delicious.
I'm here for it.
Yeah.
You can eat the pizza however you want, really. That's sort of the joy of it. Steven Universe has a love of food, and now we have the wonderful one and only pizza burrito.
With chaps.
With chaps. Please send pictures of you
Trying to amethyst
choking
it
down a burrito like Jimmy did.
Don't hurt yourself. Please be safe. I literally felt like my jaw was about to come out when I did that. So please be very safe.
I feel like this is the size of my whole head. Feel how heavy this is. This is how much my head weighs.
This is like a small child.
This is...
Now that this is slightly thinner, I think I can repeat the performance here.
Wow.
Let's get rid of some crust.
Wait, repeat performance here?
Ladies and gentlemen.
Oh my God, Jimmy! I had to take my glasses off for that one. Wow.
We're not supposed to eat the whole thing, are we?
No, I'm done. I quit.
You tap out?
I tapped out.
Wow.
All right, thank you so much, Michaela, for being here today.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you again to our Discord and Patreon members that sent us those awesome questions. Don't forget, you guys can join our Patreon at patreon.com/feastoffiction. Michaela, where can we find you on the internet?
Oh, thank you for asking. You can find me at Whammybah. At Whammybah, WHAMMYBAH on Insta, Twitter.
Where's that name come from?
Oh, do you like Wayne's World?
We love Wayne's World.
Yeah. Well, have you guys had the shoestring licorice? That'd be really
Oh,
Gosh,
that's
from
a
the car. I
great
always
idea.
wanted one of those in the Murph-mobile.
Yeah, that'd be
I
insane.
freaking love Wayne's World so much. It's so much a part of my childhood.
We're in Delaware.
Yeah.
It comes
Hi,
from
we're
that.
in
It's from
Delaware.
It's from
Oh.
Whammybah when Wayne brings Cassandra to the guitar store.
Yeah.
And he shows her the guitar, and she's like, "Oh, Wayne, the double fender Stratocaster with the Whammybah."
64 Fender Stratocaster in classic white with triple single coil pickups and a whammy bar.
That's
Oh
me.
my god, that's
Yeah.
an amazing
Yeah.
freaking name.
Thank you.
I feel like I need a Wayne's World inspired spring name.
We gotta
Yeah.
get some licorice.
Yours should be.
Yes.
Is that our outro?
Yeah. Thanks everyone for watching. We will see you next time.
Extreme close up.
Whoa!